Okay.
Thank you so much.
Hi. So, ayan. As you can see, I created another account which I can get the rewards that has 20 something here, you know, and free 5-star. So, what I'm doing here, I'm gonna use this all, and regarding with the summoning thing, it's supposed to be 40. What happened to supposed to be 20. Why? Oh my God. Okay. So all of this lustrostide summoning thing, I'm gonna use it to pull up this weapon. My goal here is to focus on my main character, which is Rover, up until I got his second elemental, which is Havoc. I'm not going to use this one because I think this is not, you know, if I'm going to use it in the future, might be I gonna have N4. So for now, wish me luck that I can pull up this sword. Okay, let's start. Please, this is my third time. Okay, please, 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 give it now to me. Please, sword, sword, sword. Oh my God, did I get it? Oh my. Oh, I got it. Yeah, there you go. Haha. Thanks. Oh no, I think I didn't got it. Yeah. Wait. Huh? Did I? Yeah, I did it. Yeah, I got it. In just one pull, I just got the Genesis sword. Wow, good job. Yeah. There you go. I'm gonna use it. Where is it? There. So I'm gonna level up this sword thing. Good job! I got it! Yeah! So for the remaining Bluestone Tide. I'm gonna use it to summon it here. So wish me luck to get Encore or Jancy, either of those these two. But I wish to have the Encore. So that's it. Thank you.